Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about refrigerator organization and the little problem I'm having with my Samsung refrigerator ice maker, and then I'm going to share with you the NewAir Compact Ice Maker. Now, I've been having issues with my Samsung. The ice maker works when it wants to. So when NewAir reached out to me to take a look at this compact ice maker, I was ecstatic. Now, this NewAir Compact Ice Maker makes 2 ice cube sizes. It also makes up to 33 pounds of ice per day. And it drops or it makes ice every 8 minutes. Now this ice maker, it comes in 3 colors, black, white, and stainless, and I chose the stainless. It is lightweight. It is easy to use. This portable design makes this countertop ice maker a good choice to have. Now, prior to use, clean the inside with lukewarm water and a soft cloth. Remove the basket and wash it, as well as the scoop, in warm water. And while the unit is unplugged, clean the vaporizer rods using water and a vinegar solution. Once you do all of this, you are ready to use your ice maker. Again, it is easy to use. Open the cover, remove the basket, and pour your water in, making sure you do not exceed the water level line. Then insert the basket back in. Plug the unit in. Select the size of ice you want, small or large, and you are good to go. It will start dropping ice after 8 minutes. And what I love about this ice maker, it automatically stops working when the ice basket is full. And it does have an ice full indicator light on the unit. Now, to restart the production of ice, just remove the ice that it has already made and start the whole process again. This unit can be used for personal use in your home, for just everyday usage. Great for parties. It could be used in RVs as you travel. So many ways. Information about this product and NewAir, along with a affiliated link and discount code, you can find that in my description box down below. I am loving this product. So now let me take you in to my refrigerator. The way I organize this refrigerator has been working for me, and I'll share with you some of the things that I have been using for years, like these mats that save on spillage. If something spills in the refrigerator, I can just take the mat itself. Easy cleanup. I purchased these mats from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. Something else that I love to use, and I just recently replaced the old ones, are these Betty Crocker containers. I love meal prepping with these. I love putting chicken salad or tuna salad, different things in these containers for my hubby to take lunch in and my family to enjoy. And you can see me here doing a little meal prepping here. Love these containers. I've also had these for many, many years, also from the Dollar Tree, these glass jars with a plastic lid. I love to prep my salads with these, put my onions and cucumbers and tomatoes. And then this is a recent purchase from At Home, this divider storage container. I use this for my sandwich meat and cheeses because my family loves sandwiches. And I love to store my eggs in these containers. As you can see, I have 2. And then I picked up these containers from Aldi last year, and I'm just getting around to using them, as well as this container is a thaw container for your meats. I love to put my meats in here to thaw them out. You never want to put your meat in on a shelf just in case you have some type of spillage and contaminate things. I love using this container. Now, are you ready to see my organized fridge? Well, let's go in for a closer look. Everything has a space. On the top shelf, you see I have some drinks, milk, orange juice, my liquid creamer that I have to have, a filtered water pitcher as well, my eggs and butter. The containers that my butter is in, they came from the Dollar Tree. On the second shelf is all of my salad prep. And on the left, I have space for leftovers. The bottom shelf, you see the sandwich bin and the salad that I had in the containers. I have in the containers, and then my thaw bin. In the drawers to the left is my fruit drawer, and I hold my yogurt, my mandarin orange cups, and I have some strawberries that I need to prep. And then I noticed one of the bins was turned the wrong way. Those little bins I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well. On the right is my veggie bin, and I don't have much in there, just a head of cabbage and some carrots. I need to go pick up some more veggies, right? And on the doors, of course, I hold biscuits and different types of condiments. As I was going through here, I was saying, OMG, my family, we use a lot of different types of condiments. And you see my vinegar there. I drink that every day, my apple cider vinegar. And on the other side here is more condiments. My salad dressings, I usually use these jars here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, but I'm cleaning them, so I just put one in here so you can see how the jars are, and more condiments, right? This is the inside of my refrigerator. I'm going to take you in to my freezer. This is kept very neat and simple. As you can see, the ice maker is not working as usual. In that bin, I hold breakfast items. And to the right of that bin, you can see I have some junk. Actually, the yogurt is not really junk food. It's just something that hubby and I love to have at night. Down below on the right is my meat. Buying more fish and chicken. Trying to steer away from the processed foods. I have a little bit there. And trying to steer away from red meats. And to the left, I have veggies. And yes, I freeze bags of collard greens. I keep it simple. I don't like it overcrowded. I like it organized so I and my family can see everything that we have. But this is my organized refrigerator. Is your refrigerator organized? And do you use bins in your refrigerator? Let me know in the comments section below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and I also have an Amazon store. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.